we're going to be looking at adding registers to registers. So we have A of X and D of X. We have our location. We can check that in the tracing chart. We got our 10E right here. We have our operation, destination, and our source. So source is being added to the destination and it's being stored there. So AX and DX, we're going to look down here at the values that we have. We know that we're adding, so it's going to be up here. So with our add, it's going to be a register to register. Now, is it register 1 to register 2 or register 2 to register 1? Well, again, an easy way to do this is just by looking back here and seeing these values, or we can just test it. So we have these right here, then we're going to have our W. We know our W is equal to 1, so we're going to plug these in here. We're going to plug this right here, and so these are our values right here. That's going to give us a 1, or a 0 and a 1 here. Now, let's work on the rest of it. So we know the 1, 1 is constant. That's going to come down here first. And then we have, what are we going to do after this? Well, let's look at the registers. We have register 1 and register 2. So we can scroll up here to where our registers are, which are this. We have our A of X and we have our D of X. Our A of X is 0, 0, 0, and our D of X is 0, 1, 0. We need a D here. So if we are to do a 0, 1, 0, we would have this 1, 1, and then our 0, 1. That will give us a D. And then we have a 0 here, and then the rest are zeros. That's going to give us a 0. That's going to end this. And so that is how we would do our add AX dx.